Alright guys, on today's video we're gonna be downloading a few free games. So let's just get down to this, my games and apps. Let's just click right there. Now all we have to do is go down to memberships and we're gonna look at our gold membership. Alright, so right here is our gold membership. So that's Xbox Live Gold. As you know, you get these 3 free games every once in a while. So from what I've seen so far, it's twice a month that we're getting free games. So let's just click right here. We could just download them from that page that you guys saw. Just click on the game, download it, and you're free to play. Right now we can download Metal Gear and Plants vs. Zombies. This guy in the middle, Adventure Time, this has been out from before, so that means it's almost done and over with. Okay, so whatever you guys do, download this one very first of all, because I already did a video about this game. That means it's almost done, alright, and another game will come in its place. However, Metal Gear Solid, you guys will have a little bit more time, and same goes with Plants vs. Zombies. So let's just start off with this guy. Usually with Xbox 360 games that are compatible with Xbox One, you do have to verify your information, usually, but it still has to say free. Okay, so we're gonna click on see price. So like I said, you do have to confirm payment information for Xbox 360 games. Doesn't mean that it has to be paid. Right here, you guys will see on the top where it says free. As long as it says free, you guys are good to go. Okay, so if it tells you to confirm your PayPal or credit card information, it's alright, it's free. Once you guys press and confirm your information, you guys will see this screen. So just click on done. We're gonna see how big this game is. This one, I don't think it's gonna be that huge, so we're gonna check this out. So right now we're seeing 8 gigs, no updates yet. But we'll get back to it later on. Let's just go into our second game and download that one to see how big it is. So Plants vs. Zombies. Let's just click on it. So this one, same deal. It's saying $19.99. However, it's free because you guys have Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just press get. You guys do not need to press buy to own. It's gonna download. So let's just go back all the way and see the size of these 2 games. So right here, we already said this one's 8.35 gigs. I don't see any updates, so that means that's the total amount that we're gonna be downloading. I'm just gonna pause it for now. I'm gonna keep going with this guy to see how big it is. 32 gigs. So this one's quite big. Again, I don't see any updates that come up for it, and this would be the time that we would see any updates from it. So that means the total weight of this game will be the 32.19 gigs, which is significantly bigger than Metal Gear right here. Anyways, that's it. That's how you guys can download free games every once in a while with Xbox. Now, this is temporarily. So right now it's March 20, 2019. So this will be available for a few days and then we'll get another set of games. So download it right now, fast, so you guys can get your hands on these games. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.